Before starting your affirmations, first do breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, take a deep breath in and out. Now put yourself in a high energy mode and say your affirmations. Feel yourself that you have already achieved your goal and start saying these affirmations along with me, either daily or even listen to these affirmations. Let's start. Thank you, universe, for helping me to let go of all my negative things that can affect my exam. Thank you, universe, for making me learn all the points and concepts so quickly. I am solving my exam just by seeing them at once. I am a gladiator and a problem solver. I am unstoppable. I always feel relaxed and comfortable when I am sitting in the examination hall. Expressing my knowledge and giving exam is very easy and fun for me. Thank you, universe, for making myself and my parents proud by doing well in exam. I am so grateful because I have a great learning power. I am truly grateful that the universe and the nature are helping me in my exam. I am super talented and I am the best at what I do because I love what I do. Thank you, universe, for helping me to become chartered accountant. And at last, take your name with the prefix CA. So friends, these are all CA exam affirmations. Apart from this, if you want, then you can take an idea from this list and make your own customized affirmation. But remember, you should make statement in present and positive tense only. Describe what you want as if you have already have it with positive words. Make sure that you do not use any negative words in it. Thank you.